Hi, I'm Tom Forsyth. I want to thank you for having a look at this short video about Tai Chi Chuan for Everyone, my course in the Sun style that you can watch at taichiclass.org. Most people know that Tai Chi is a really great exercise, that it's something you can do for the rest of your life because it's so gentle. It's good for your heart, good for your knees, it's good for your lungs. What a lot of people don't know is that the Tai Chi journey is really long, and the ultimate purpose, really, Tai Chi Chuan can be a journey into yourself. Tai Chi Chuan can be used to find out who you really are at your deepest level, what your real soul is all about, and then you can live the best life you can hope to live by living from your soul. And that's the ultimate purpose of Tai Chi Chuan. That's what I hope that I'm going to get sometime from this, and that's what I hope you get from learning Tai Chi at taichiclass.org. Thanks for your interest, and please check out taichiclass.org.